today and finishing off the Stage 1 Plus. We're down now to the speed results. So as you can see, mate, this fine figure of a man, 19.5 stone, that's about what, 270 pounds, no spring chicken. The speed results was good. Bear in mind, all I done was the Stage 1 Plus. The accessory bits that went with it, you've seen them earlier on in the video. Standard sponsons, standard ride plate. It was shimmed, we'll go into that later on. But the talk on these forums, I call it, they tell you that you need this, you need that, you need the other thing. You'll see from the results, this ski is not going any faster on the tune that it's on.